Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is the part 2 of the video how I taught my daughter. In this video I am going to share with you how she worked out the activity sheet. Before I start this video, I would like to say that please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's get started. Come. Count and write the correct number. Where is the pencil? How many bugs are there?
One box.
One. Then next, how many eraser?
1, 2.
Next, how many cakes?
1, 2, 3. 3.
How many frogs?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
4. Then, how many cakes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Then, how many flowers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Yes. How many peas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
7.
Yes. Yes. How many mugs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
9.
Huh?
9.
No. Count it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
8.
Yes. Then how many strawberry?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No. 9. Count again. Count. Start from here. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes. Right.
9.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
10.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Finish. And then we will do this. Come. Color the shapes as indicated. Okay, I'll ask you the name of the shapes. What is this shapes?
Circle.
What is the color?
Black.
Yes. What is this?
Square.
What is the color?
Blue.
Yes. What is this?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Red.
Yes. What is this?
Triangle.
Color?
Color. Green.
Yes. Very good.
I love you.
Then we will do what are the okay. Some parrots were sitting on a tree. Some of them flew away. Later, now count and write the number of the parrots remained on the tree. How many parrots are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Yes. How many parrots?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
4.
Yes. Then how many parrots are here?
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
3.
Yes. Yes. How many parrots are left here?
1, 2.
Yes.
2.
Yes. How many are here?
1.
Yes.
1.
Yes. How many are here? None. So you have to write 0.
0.
Yes. 0 you have to write. Only 0. Rub this. Rub this one. Rub the one. Yes. Write 0.
0.
Then we will come to the next part. Okay, say the number names and match with their numbers. Say what is this? What is this? Spell
F-I-X.
6.
6.
So where is 6?
6 is here.
Yes.
Six.
Then next, what is this?
T-E-T-E-N 10.
Yes, where is 10?
Then is here.
So bring.
T.
Yes. Bring. Next, what is this? What is this?
E-I-G-H-T.
What? E-I-G-H-T? 8.
8. 8.
Where is 8?
8 is here.
Then what is this?
N-I
No, this.
T-H-R-E. E 3.
Yes, where is 3?
T is here.
Yes. Then next, what is that? This.
N-I
N-I-N-E.
N-A 4.
N-I-N-E 9.
N-I-N-A 9.
Where is 9?
9 is here.
Then what is this?
F.
Next, no. What is yes? This.
T-W-O-2.
Yes. Where is 2?
2 is here. 2 is
Yes.
here.
Yes. Then next.
F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5.
Yes. Where is 5?
5 is here.
Then next.
Next.
This.
Only 1.
Where is 1?
1 is here.
Then next.
Next.
Yes.
F-O-R.
F-O.
F-O-U-R.
R. What? F-O-U-R? F-O-U-R what?
F-O-U-R 4.
Yes. Where is 4?
4 is here.
Okay. Now here circle the vowels. What are the vowels? Tell me. Yes.
A.
Yes.
Is a vowel.
A is a vowel. Then
A is.
where is E?
Is.
You have to circle it. See where is E?
Is here. Here.
Then A E. Then
I.
yes.
I is here.
Yes. Then
A-E-I.
then
O.
yes. Then
A-E-I-O-U.
yes.
U, he is here.
Very good. Then what are these? A E I O.
A-E-I-O-U-R.
What?
R.
What are A E I O U R?
A-E-I-O-U-R vowels.
Tell clearly.
A-E-I-O-U-R vowels.
Yes. Now here you have to write the numbers 1 to 20. So you have to write 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3. Write.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4, 5,
Hmm.
6,
Hmm.
7,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
9,
Hmm.
10,
Hmm. Then
11.
Where is the rubber?
Rubber is here.
Rub. Okay, right. Right here. Right.
11,
Hmm.
12,
Hmm.
13,
Hmm.
14,
Hmm.
15.
Wrong. One should be here.
1 should be here.
Here.
Should
One.
be here.
Then after 15.
15, 16,
Yes. Then
17,
then
18, 19.
yes, right. Yes, one should be here. Rub again.
Oh, where?
Rub this. Right. 19. Then
20.
yes. Thanks for watching my channel.